Other companies that we had assessed came in, it was a very long-winded process, took a couple of days. People had to keep coming back and over again. And with Window World, we'd worked with one sales rep. He came in on a Tuesday afternoon. He spent 45 minutes with us. We looked over some designs, some things that we wanted, and he addressed all of our concerns. And within that time period, we'd signed a contract. One of our things was we thought right away we were gonna have holes in the windows and dirt all over the floors and just a mess. But this other person followed behind with a vacuum. They took great care of the place as they went along. A lifetime warranty was extremely important for us. It helped us to realize that there was no room for error and that they would take care of it if anything went wrong. The service guys are phenomenal. The assistants on the phone, the sales crew, the installation crew, all top-notch, highly professional. I would recommend them every day to everyone.
Enhance where you stay and save thousands along the way with Window World. Call 888-474-1533.